If you've lost access to your Bank of America account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Bank of America website. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot ID or Password. On the sign-in page, locate and click the Forgot ID or Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Provide your information. Enter the required information, such as your name, social security number, and date of birth. This information helps verify your identity. Step 4. Choose an alternative recovery method. Since you cannot receive verification codes, look for options like answering security questions or using an email address associated with your account. Select the method that works best for you. Step 5. Follow the prompts to reset your access. Once you've verified your identity through the chosen method, follow the prompts to reset your password or recover your account. Make sure to create a strong, memorable password. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider contacting Bank of America customer service for further assistance. It can provide additional support to help you regain access to your account.